Welcome back. Reserve Bank of India has cut the lending rate to 8%. It's the first rate cut in the past 3 years. This might turn out to be good news for Aam Aadmi as the home loans are likely to get cheaper. India's central bank has cut the repo rate by 50 basis points. Cash reserve ratio has been unchanged at 4.75%. RBI Director D. Subbarao announced RBI's credit policy for the financial year 2012-13. The central bank feels that the inflation may remain moderate but expects the GDP growth to touch 7.3% from the current 6.9%.
The Reserve Bank's baseline projection of GDP growth for the current year is 7.3%. Moving on to inflation. Headline inflation, which remained above 9% during April-November 2011, moderated to 6.9% by end March 2012. This moderation was consistent with the Reserve Bank's indicative projection of 7%. The Reserve Bank's projection for inflation for March 2013 is 6.5%. Banks are being advised to offer to all the customers a basic savings bank deposit account with certain minimum common facilities and without the requirement of a minimum balance. Second, banks will be mandated not to levy foreclosure charges or prepayment penalties on home loans extended on floating interest rate basis. Third, banks are being advised to initiate steps to allot a unique Customer Identification Code number, UCIC, to all the customers. There has been a significant increase in loans against gold by non-banking financial companies in the recent period.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Farmers from Amona have complained that their farms have been damaged while laying down the Gale pipeline. They also claim that the sluice gate and bund in Amona has been damaged. Farmers claim a loss of around 10 lakhs. They have demanded compensation from the government.
Brahmeshwar Shetkari Sangatna complained that their crops have been damaged while laying down the Gale pipeline. Farmers claim a loss worth 10 lakhs. Moreover, they also complain that the sluice gate and the bund is damaged, thus increasing flow of salty water into their fields. They have now demanded compensation from the government.
थंयसर बांद फोडलो आनी पणसून तुका ते पायपलायन येयली ते आतां पाणी सगळें खारें येयलें आनी सगळें शेतूय बुडलें ही देवखडी म्हणटा ती आनी हेवटेन जी पोरसां आहा तेजो अळसाणो वांयगी दोडकी मिरसांगो कांदे सगळे जळोन म्हणटा खाक जाल्ले आहा तेन्ना आमकां सरकारान तेजी नुकसान भरपाई मेळोवन दिवची अशी आमदारा कडेन आमी मागणी केल्ली.
बांद हे जाला न्हू शेतांतून खारें उदक येयलां आनी तें खारें जालां सगळें आनी ते आमकां खावपाक मेळना कपडे धुवपाक कित्याकूच यूज जायना तें उदक आमी आतां सायडीकल्यान नळाचें उदक घेता आनी वापरता आमी घरान 4 फॅमिली आसा भाजी बी खारें उदक जालें न्ही तेका लागून ती मरता मेले सगळे न्ही दिसता.
The president of the Brahmeshwar Shetkari Sangatna, Sandesh Naik, claims that even after a number of complaints to the concerned authorities, no action has been initiated.
प्रमोद सावंत शेनवारा हाँ शेनवारा डिपार्टमेंट आमी कळयला 11 तारखेक 11 एप्रिल डेप्युटी कलेक्टराक मामलेदाराक 11 पावला आनी अजून दोनाय डिपार्टमेंटाचे आमकां कोणूच तांकां हें जावंक ना कॉन्टेक्ट जावंक ना कमीत ते आतां 10 लाख नुकसान जाता कित्याक 3 वर्सांची बजेट घडची पडटली आमकां.
A reporter from Amarna, Vivek Prabhu.
The demand for redoing the delimitation process of the wards for the Panchayat elections is growing louder. Villagers from different parts of Goa are crying foul over the way the wards were notified without public scrutiny. They have condemned the haphazard and non-transparent process of delimitation. The State Election Commissioner will submit a report to the government in this regard.
A group of people led by activist Father Bismarck Dias are demanding a relook into the delimitation of wards for the Panchayat elections. They say the delimitation was done in an arbitrary manner. They petitioned the State Election Commissioner Dr. M. Mudassir in this regard.
पंचायत गांव जाणा कितें चल्लां पळय तें तेंचेर आनी आमकोण सगळे आख्खे गोंयकारा आमी उगे रावचे ना आमी सरकाराक दाखयतले इलेक्शन कशें जातलें आनी कशें पर्यंत करूंक जाय तें आमी शिकोवचें पडटलें तो आमी सोडचे ना.
जेन्ना गोंयकारांचेर पळय जेन्ना अन्याय जाला तेन्ना आमी गोंयकार भायर सरल्या आनी जसोच तर हो अन्याय आमच्या गोंयकारांचेर जाय जाल्यार आमी गोंयकार सगळे रस्त्यार भायर सरतले आनी ह्याय सरकाराक कितें तें दाखयतले कारण आमी गेल्या सरकारान आमकां वसत तेन्ना रस्त्यार हाडलेले आनी तांकां आमी बूथ शिकयलेली आहा आनी हे सरकारान आपूण हे करप्शन उमटून काडटा सांगलेले पूण 1.5 म्हयनो जावना हे रोलाचे करप्शन वाडयले हे रोलाचेर हेतून सान तितून सगळे मिक्स भाजी करून वोटरांचे डिवायड करून
Dr. Mudassir said that he will give a report to the government on this matter.
They were saying that delimitation has come at the last minute and the reservations have been done in places where that population doesn't exist, like scheduled tribe, where there's no scheduled tribe still. Maybe there are 1 or 2 anomalies, I don't know. No, really, I have to go on this issue in detail, but they have given a representation, we will give our views.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari.
Robberies are on the rise in the state. Robbers struck a house at Silvanagar Ponda. Gold and cash worth 1 lakh rupees was robbed. Have a look.
Robbers robbed cash and gold worth 1 lakh rupees from a house at Silvanagar Ponda. The house belongs to Audit Suarez. Robbers entered the house by breaking the front door. Audit along with the family is out of station. Seems like robbers have taken the advantage of it. One of her relatives filed a complaint with Ponda police. Police are investigating the case. They have recorded a Panchanama.
बायलेन मागीर ते गेले म्हाका फोन केलो अशें जाला म्हणून आमी येयली हिंगा चोवपाक
कोण रावनातले हांगा
भयण बॉम्बे गेलेली आसा आनी तेगे सून घरा गेलेली नेकलेस सेट आनी चेन आनी लॉकेट आसले
आनी कोणा डॉक्युमेंट्स बीन
आनी डॉक्युमेंट्स बी आसले पण आजून पळोवना ना
कितल्यांक सुमार कळ्ळें तुमकां
णवांक सुमार णवांक कळ्ळें.
Our reporter from Ponda, Vivek Prabhu.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.